My name's Jim.
I'm Rob.
We're here today at Malt HQ to talk to you about something new and extremely exciting, which we're incredibly proud to be bringing to you.
This is going to be fantastic. It's a whole new section on the website. It's been your baby from the start, but the whole team are super excited about it. It's called
Indie Coffee Supply. Indie Coffee Supply is our venture to bring you something completely different within coffee. Speciality coffee is a real big passion of mine. You, when I started with Malt Miller, said, hey, we should probably start thinking about how we can do something with this.
Absolutely, yeah, and I love coffee. Lots of our members of staff here love coffee.
Yeah.
It's a big market, and we want to recognise that and do the very best we can to get the best product out to our existing and new customers.
So we've started working with three of my favourite roasteries. We've got Girls Who Grind Coffee, who are based near Warminster. We've got Round Hill Roastery, who are just south of Bath, and Hardlines, who are based in Cardiff. And we've got a selection of their coffees now available for you to buy in the same way that you might be used to buying some of our other ingredients like malt and hops. This is like coffee pick and mix. You're going to be able to buy coffee in a weight that you like or that you need, which we will package up for you either in whole bean or ground to your specifications. When we receive one of your orders, we will process it in a really caring way. It's going to be taken from our storage area that's being held at a constant temperature. We'll put personalised labels on the bags. The coffee will either go into the bags as whole bean or ground, either to filter or espresso. You choose on the website that, which is really cool.
Yeah.
And then we will seal it and we will ship it to you in exactly the same way that we would any of our other products.
At the very heart of Malt Miller, freshness is key, and we're all about that. So we're following exactly the same route with coffee. So Jim, customers will be able to go online and purchase coffee as an ingredient in beer?
They will, yes, Rob. And you know, if you are a brewer that wants to use coffee as an ingredient in beer, it's really important that you have the breadth of choice like you would with hops and malt.
Yeah, because it can make a massive difference.
The coffee we've selected and the roasters we're working with are providing some of the best possible coffee in the world. The really important thing here is that the coffees we've chosen aren't your bog standard supermarket coffees. You're going to get just as many different flavour notes and different varieties within our range so that you can do some really interesting and different things as a home brewer making beer. You're not just going to be limited to the kind of traditional maybe coffee stouts or porters. We've got stuff in there that's got like flavour notes of bubblegum and strawberry and pina colada.
Yeah, and actually having tasted a few different beers that have used coffee as an ingredient, those flavours really come through in the finished product. So yeah, it's a new way of thinking of using coffee within beer.
And that's why we've chosen the roasters we're working with that are offering premium, exciting, different and unique coffees from all around the world, whether it's single origins that they've sourced or whether it's blends that they've worked with farms to produce.
Yeah.
What I do want to make really clear though, Rob, is we've not done this just as an ingredient.
No.
We firmly believe that coffee should be celebrated, and therefore it's a standalone product on our website. It's got its own section in exactly the same way that Indie Beer Fridge does with all of the amazing craft beers that we stock.
Yeah.
We want to offer a one-stop shop, so if you drink coffee and beer, you can buy it all from us at the same time as buying your recipe kits to do your homebrew at home.
Certainly, or if you just drink coffee, you can buy that from us.
Exactly.
Yeah, from a big selection, from different roasters.
We want to hear how you get on with our coffee. We want to find out what recipes you're putting it into with beer. We also want to find out how you're brewing it at home, whether it's in a cafetiere, whether it's espresso, whether it's drip, whatever it is that you do at home, we want to hear about it. And also we want to hear about roasters that you love and that you would recommend for us to start stocking. So all that remains is for us to say, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell for notifications, and
follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.